Yo! It's a new video! So, I'm up in my bunk bed kasi I've decided na ito na lang yung gawing official setup para sa mga opening clips ko every video. Sa mga past videos ko, very random yung mga places kung saan ako nagpe-film. But now, para lang may uniformity, dito ko na i-film yung mga opening clips ko. Doesn't matter if mag-iiba ako ng background in the mid of the video, pero yung first clip laging dito. As you can see, very bare pa siya. Pero actually, marami na akong naiisip ng mga designs and decorations na pwede kong gawin dito para mas maging presentable naman siya. Pero actually, di ko rin sure kung gusto ko siyang i-decorate ng sobra. Kasi I'm actually trying to fit the minimalist lifestyle. Anyway, I guess time will tell kung anong magiging itsura nito after a few videos. Now, on to today's video. So, one of the reason kung bakit nag-start ako na gumawa ng channel is because gusto kong ma-document and ma-preserve yung memories ko when it comes to my hobbies. One of those hobbies is actually puzzles. Simula nung bata pa ako, pag may nakikita akong puzzle, parang kating-kati ako na gusto talagang isolve yun. Very competitive din. So, a few days ago, habang naglilinis ako dito sa kwarto, nakita ko yung jigsaw puzzle ko. And I thought, I miss doing puzzle. So, film ko habang binubuo ko yun. And habang pinapanood ko ngayon, medyo boring yung clip, to be honest. As in, nag-film lang ako, nagtutok lang ako ng camera dun sa ginagawa ko. And I didn't really care kung anong na-film dun. So, i-voice over ko na lang yung mga comments ko and kung paano yung sistema ko when it comes to solving puzzles. So, yeah, let's go right into it. Yo! Please welcome voiceover Kinpai! This is gonna be fun. Okay, let's start.
Okay, so this is my jigsaw puzzle set. Kapag nabuo mo siya, ang lalabas is a picture of Santorini. I've always been fascinated with Greece in general kasi yung dati kong boss is actually Greek. So marami siyang nakukwento about Greece. I became so curious about the place. Tapos nag-decide ako na hindi ko gagamitin yung picture reference niya just because nabuo ko na to a few times already. So kampante na ako nabuuin siya on my own.
So, first things first, paghihiwalayin yung mga edges and center pieces. Paghihiwalayin ko na rin yung mga blue. Ito kasi part ng sky or sea. Tapos ito part ng mga establishments. Hindi ito na part. Ganun din gagawin ko sa center pieces. Pero ito, half is sky, tapos half is establishment.
Like what I said dito sa video, dinivide ko yung mga pieces into two main parts, yung edges and center pieces. Pero, dinivide ko rin bawat part into three, which is yung part ng sky and sea, tapos yung part ng establishments. Tapos, if merong mga pieces na may part na establishment and part na color blue, hiniwalay ko rin yung mga pieces na yan. Tapos, syempre, yung corner pieces nakahiwalay din.
Corner piece. Ay, lapit mo siya. Corner piece.
Guys, always take some rest whenever you're doing anything. Kahit anong ginagawa niyo, always do rest in between. I'm doing something right now para sa ibang video. And yeah, sumakit yung bato ko kasi hindi ako tumigil until matapos. But yeah, always take some rest. Stretch a bit. And we're down to the last few pieces. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. And now, bubuuin na talaga natin yung mismong puzzle. So I started off with the corner pieces, and because I already built this a few times before, I know which corner piece goes to where. And with those corners as reference, sinunod ko ng buuin yung edge pieces. To be honest, kahit ilang beses ko nang nabuo to, naguguluhan pa rin ako kung saan ko ilalagay yung mga puzzle pieces. Especially dun sa sea and sa sky. Kasi puro blue lang siya.
Nope.
See these pieces? It's literally just gradients of blue. So what I did is, inarrange ko na lang siya from lightest to darkest, tapos pinagsunod-sunod ko na yung ilagay. Alternate ng shape, of course.
Now that I'm done with the edges, I'm gonna get these.
Okay, I have to be honest. Yung narrations ko dyan sa clip na yan, it wasn't because I was vlogging. Actually, nakalimutan ko na nagbablog ako. So, whenever I do something, I always talk to myself. And I do it like I'm vlogging. So, yeah. It was me talking to myself. Yeah. Do you guys see how I'm sitting right now in this video? I totally forgot that I was vlogging and taking a video of myself. Bye! Oh, whenever I do something like this to unwind, I usually watch YouTube videos, listen to Spotify podcasts, or listen to audiobooks. But today I decided not to because Ian was there and I didn't want him to be bored, so I talked to him from time to time. Pero to be honest, feeling ko alam niya na this is kind of a me time, so I feel like he purposefully tried to leave me alone.
Ito na naman tong part na to. Lagi ko na pagkakamalan na dito siya sa seas and skies. Kaya bubong talaga siya dito. I just know it.
One time, habang sinesegregate ko yung mga pieces, yung piece na yan, nailagay ko dun sa pieces ng sky. So, I thought nawala yung piece. And I was so sad kasi kulang na ako ng isang piece. But then, nakita ko rin siya, so I was happy again.
Ang hirap pala kapag walang reference picture.
Pero aminin, you liked it better kasi more challenge.
If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. Okay, next is this part.
By the way, di ko alam kung nasabi ko na to sa mga vlogs ko, pero dati kasi ayaw na ayaw ko yung editing part ng vlogging. But now it's actually fun for me now. I mean, it's slowly growing on me. I guess you just have to find the fun in things.
Ito na! Ito na yung pinakamahirap na part. Puro blue yung sky. Tsaka ito. Okay! Actually, mas mahirap to kaysa dito. So, unahin ko to. Kasi gradient lang to eh.
Or so you thought.
Mas madali lang siya, pero hindi siya madali.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. One thing I like about this puzzle set is that hindi siya pare-parehas talaga ng cut. Every piece is a different cut from another by a slight lang actually. Kasi if you place a piece somewhere na hindi talaga yung place niya, you would feel it. You would literally feel it. There's something wrong with it.
Kunti na lang.
Yes, last few pieces and we're done.
Yay! Well done. Oh, that's fun. That was fun. That was fun.
And that's that. See you on the next one.
Have I told you it's a jigsaw puzzle? Ganito ba itsura ko kapag sa ibang tao? Oh, kung nakikita niyo akong tumitingin dito, it's because I have my monitor here, tapos gamit ko yung back cam ng cellphone ko. Yan yung setup ko ngayon. This is real life. This isn't fantasy. Okay, we're done. Actually,